actually automatically turned off, tapos babalik na lang ulit tayo. So, ganun yung mangyayari. Kaya, I am planning to have it asynchronous and asynchronous next time. No, para hindi sayang yung oras. What I will be doing is to prepare recorded videos sa lahat ng mga modules. So, i-prepare ko na lang yun. Then, every time na may mga topic tayong modules and samples, so, i-review na lang natin yung modules. No? Ang alam ko lang, in the departmental exam and in the final exam, the setup should be face-to-face. So anyway, matagal pa naman because we are still starting the second semester. So ayan, medyo mahaba-haba pang biyahe, no, towards the end of the semester. Okay, so allow me to take the screenshot of the attendance, no, yung mga, no need to open So kaya it's very important na you have to, next time you have to rename your Zoom
of the learning
dito on your final name being the attendance. Research and innovation. Okay, so I think that's it for now. So I call the class dismissed. So see you na lang next week. So I'll be making siguro a link na siya lang palagi yung link, no? Yung recurring link natin para hindi kayo malito in terms of attending the class always. Okay, so thank you for attending. So see you next meeting, and I hope clear yung yung mga na-discuss ko and some of its policies. So we'll discuss the detail of the syllabus next meeting na lang. Okay, so thank you and good afternoon.
Thank you po, sir.